don't believe in coincidences. So if you're watching this right now, I know it's a sign that you're going to be a huge millionaire in your business and that your relationship with your spouse is going to flourish like you've never, ever seen before. I see this happen a lot. Couples come to me and they've already wasted so many years of their life, especially their younger years in their life, trying to make things and do things the DIY way in their relationship. Me and my wife did this. We've been together almost 20 years, like 19 years, but I've been an entrepreneur for 7 years. So 12 of those years were years that, a lot of those years were really great. But then during those years, we had a lot of rocky years where we didn't communicate. We lived as roommates. We didn't know who we were anymore, and we grew apart. And it was all because we didn't communicate and we didn't really try to better our relationship. And it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to go through this DIY way of fixing your relationship or bettering your relationship, and hoping that it works out like I did. Like, man, I'm so grateful for myself and my wife that we went down this entrepreneur path, and this path where we just woke up one day and we're like, I'm sick of the bullshit and I don't want it to be the same anymore. I want to live the best relationship that I want to have, the best relationship I could possibly have with you. I want to feel this love and this desire and this fire for ourselves again. And I want so much more. I want to be a millionaire, and I want to have the business and the options and the kids, and I want to live a life full of so much abundance. And a lot of people don't get there in their relationship. They never find this fire or desire in their life and business to do it on their own. I feel like I'm truly like a 1%er that just went out there and did it, and everything fell into place for ourselves. And it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to burn a decade or more, or even a few years is a lot of time to waste. There's so much support out there. I always recommend people going out and getting a coach, someone who's been there and been through the trials and tribulations and failures and successes, and that have came full circle around with their spouse to having that loving, dedicated relationship that's full of desire and passion. You don't have to be in a relationship where, everything's uncomfortable and you don't want to talk about things and you're just living together as roommates. It doesn't have to be that way. I love you guys. My name's Eddie. I'm a 7-figure entrepreneur, and I'm also a couples coach specifically for entrepreneurs. If you like what you saw in the video, please drop a comment down below. I'm like the most chill person. I'm here to support you guys. If you guys have a question that's more personal, DM me DM me on here and just, reach out to me. I'm here to support you guys.